Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Hi.
How are you, sir?
Fine, fine, fine. So I was expecting any more people are coming like that. I was just checking. Okay.
Yes, sir. We'll wait for the people who join in.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. You done your sheet or this strategy sheet? Anything you have done? You got time?
Not yet, sir, because no, I have just come to my mother.
Okay. 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 1 minute. I will check if anybody is ready to join.
Yes, sir. I couldn't find time because I just reached the hospital as my mother is admitted here in the hospital. That's why.
Okay. So
So I'm accompanying with her.
Okay. Then you can no problem. You can because I think nobody is there. Okay.
Okay.
And if you have prepared
If
your
something is important discussing, then I will join in the meeting. No problem for me, sir.
yeah strategy sheet or anything, if you work out, no, then we can discuss on that like that only. Yeah? So next time
Okay.
you please try
No,
to
I'll
come.
just be by tomorrow. By tomorrow, probably.
Yeah. You can do the strategy sheet, then we can discuss. So then there will be some progress. Okay. Otherwise, days will go just like that. At the end, it will be very difficult.
Yes, sir. Like once if I complete this strategy sheet, I will update it to you, sir, tomorrow, by tomorrow.
Okay, fine, Shanti. Then you can leave now. Okay, if anything is
Okay,
there,
sir.
you can get back to me. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you
Sure,
for
sir.
joining.
Thank you, sir. I will personally even message you, sir. Like if I have wherever I get stuck.
Sure. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Srania. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hi, Pradeep. Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, you can.
Just give me a minute. I'll have to change my camera.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
So you are finished all your tasks, no? Everything you completed, no?
I just have the second weeks alone. I've completed the first week. The character sheet is done.
Okay.
So I think the personal strategy, those are all halfway done. So I just have to complete that.
Okay.
I think the remaining tasks, everything is done. Like the Facebook group is there, but then we're actually not directing anybody to the Facebook group currently, but it's there.
Okay.
The website is there. And then what else? My L1 courses are ready. We've already launched it and we have 4 people in the L1. So that is also done.
Yeah.
Then what else? I think, everything else is based on this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So if I get the second week stuff done, then I think I can submit. I'll be good to submit.
Yeah. This time only at the December end only we can submit, or in between we can submit. Sometimes
the diamond members, I think we have a link.
Okay.
Because there is this stuff called awards or something. So if we go into that, each category we can do for Hall of Fame.
Yeah. That link.
Right. So yeah, but for the silver members and for the gold members, I think only when the hackathon is over they can submit.
Okay. So okay, then I was just trying to catch up other people because they are far behind everything. So other people only 5 people are connected out of 10.
Yeah, for me it's just one person. I had a meeting on Thursday. Only I sent the link. 3 people replied. I sent the link to 3 of them, but only one has joined the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
She's been doing good. She's
been
on track. She just has only one more. So I've asked Nina to add some more people.
Yeah.
And hopefully they will join. I don't know. I've also told my teammate currently that if nobody else joins, we can, have combined meeting with Pradeep, because then you'll get more exposure.
Okay.
She was open to the idea. So I thought, okay, because only two of us, she's there, so she just joins us and we can all complete it together.
Because here also only 5 people are active. So we can do it together also, no problem.
Yes. So you're from Coimbatore, is it, Pradeep?
Yes. I'm from Coimbatore. I'm presently settled in Coimbatore for last 10 years.
Okay, but you're a Malayali.
Yeah, I'm from Thrissur, Kerala.
Okay. Right. I can hear it in your accent. That's why.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm basically from Namakkal. I studied, I think, for nearly 7 years in Coimbatore. So I can differentiate the slang. That's why I asked.
Okay. So you studied, what is your degree and what you studied actually?
I actually did fashion and MBA, both in Coimbatore and PSG.
Okay. Sounds nice.
And pregnancy birth is something unrelated to what I did in my college.
Yeah. You have the passion for that. That's why I can understand from your spirit that, because that kind of connection is there, then only we can do those things. No, actually.
True.
Then we will find out so many reasons why factor we will find out. Because Sitz was explaining that way, it is very easy to find out what we want to do, how we can do the things. But the question of why is the most important. So if you know why we are what we are doing, then the things will be in a good shape. That is good.
So. Right. So you're a freedom finisher, right? You've completed it.
Yeah, I finished almost 1 year now, actually. But I am doing a business here in Coimbatore only. So I was not able to come out from that business actually. So every time, every morning when we get up now, then something or other we will always pulled there for some or other reason. I will think, okay, this week I will complete my all lead magnets and start ads. In between I done few ads and all. So then actually initially I started with some other niche actually. That was in a technical side. Right. So we are doing some machineries like CNC machines. That CNC machine, that is CNC router, it is used for wood carving, gold engraving and all those kind of things. So I was a technical expert on that. Then I thought I'll teach people about, that's what I am doing now. Otherwise, I have many customers. So we were doing the training with the machines. So then what we told, initially I thought that I will take that as a niche. That is utilization of any technical resource. So this is a technical resource. CNC machine is a technical resource. So then I thought, okay, I can go little more a different way like that, because I will become I can teach many people like who can handle the technical subject. I will make the technical people as teachers or trainers in that. For that, I created something like that, technical resource utilization expert. I have divided what all resources available in the technical field into 5 different categories. And then I will track them to a particular resource. Then I will ask them to, okay, what way you can get the leads, because in technical side and machinery sales and all those kind of things, we have to get ads from get clients from different ways, not always with the through the internet and social media. So I thought of that way. So now I am in that. Actually, for engineers, I am coming to a little more broader way. I am guiding engineers. Every engineer supposed to be an expert in some particular subject. Otherwise, they are like a jack of all things and master of none. Like that. So that expertise only fetch him to excellent profession, excel in their profession. So and also many people don't have some capacities as an engineer. Engineers should have some capacities. So that kind of capacity we can bring in the engineer, and also something like now digital tools and skills also very much important. So all those things I think, okay, I will reset the mindset so that whatever the present aim, I will make those engineers to focus on a particular expertise. From that, how he can monetize that expertise, I will teach them. So that was present, current niche is like that. So I am working on that. Almost, yeah. Now only after this FBR only I could able to actually connect the dot, because we became a very dry person actually after a lot of technical doings, so many technical things. We are not an emotional being. We become so technical thing like that. These all things, telling something like a story or connecting with the people was not really happening, as everything was tight. So now I'm feeling a little bit of connection with this. Now I feel more comfortable, even talking to the people also.
Yes. So you're focusing, just don't mind me, I'm just switching off the light and my camera because
no problem. No problem.
Yes.
So that,
yeah. Okay. So it must be a totally different line for you, right? Because for us, we always use in pregnancy and all, we're used to talking to women always.
Yeah.
So that's a very emotional field for us. So we're used to it. So I did not find it very difficult to, just digitalize everything once I learned how to do it.
Okay. Now, we have.
So when are you aiming for Hall of Fame?
I'm aiming for Hall of Fame as immediately as possible. So I had worked out all my courses. Now also I had created in different angles actually. The ads in 5 different angles.
Okay. Right. Yeah. So how was your learnings in FBR? How was your whole experience?
Then FBR, it's a energy giving function actually. It's not more than knowledge. Definitely there is a lot of knowledge, but the energy what we get from that event is so fantastic actually, because we get really transformed from that actually. That is that is the level of kind of we automatically get energetic in the in our that kind of process is happening in that meeting when we meet with the same-minded people. So
same-minded people.
Yes,
same get that encouragement. They did it, so I have to do it next.
Yeah. A lot of harmony and also the resonance. That is same people, same frequency together, then we come a bigger amplitude. It comes like that. So that kind of. So it's and we get a vision also, what we are here, why we are here, and why we should do that, and what is our future. We will get the more perspective actually in that way. So we will not feel isolated. That is the most important thing. When we disconnected from the link, what for we are doing all this thing, then everything get isolated, we will become lost.
Lost. So that's actually very true, because we all work from home. It can be a very lonely process. I actually felt that, but one thing, like you said, I think thankfully before I started with my sales webinar, I heard Sid tell in one talk where one of the community members had done, I think, 40 or 70 webinars before he made the first sale.
Some Ramesh or somebody like that. So he had done So then
only
he got
40 or 70, I don't know. And then only he got the first sale, and then from there he's been scaling. So for me, the first 5 webinars, I totally bombed it. There was no conversion at all. And I was like, oh my God. But that one sentence actually kept repeating in my mind. We are not yet at 40. We are not yet at 40 webinars. So keep doing it. Keep trying, sort of.
Okay.
Right. Okay, Pradeep. I don't think the others are joining.
So nice to talk to you. Actually, that's okay. We will next time we will see that if you want to combine it, you can call the other people also to our group, the Interstellar group itself. Then We can tell Sid later also, like it happened like that. Okay.
Okay, yes. I'm just waiting to see if Nina is adding for a few more people.
Yeah.
And she said she's just given the form today to fill if we want more people in the group. So I've just filled it today. Hopefully those people will join in. If not, then definitely if it's just going to be that one person, then we can I'll tell Nina and we can combine.
Only 2-3 people are there means we can get it combined, because that will be good. Because anybody, if you can also handle this thing, no, sometimes you can also initiate it, the Zoom calls. So that also will be good. No, so we will get a
so there'll be, it'll be easier for all of us.
The synergy will be there, definitely. One more person is there too, because the people, if basically they have interest, it's the initial stage of everybody is like that only. No, lot of push is required, then only.
The creation stage, everybody, once they understand it, there are some who are over enthusiastic, some who will say, okay, let me do it slowly.
So okay, anyway, whatever, this is very helpful. Why I felt so good is that it will be very helpful when we conduct our inner circle call and all those kind of things. So we will be very very much used to this process. Actually, that is the advantage I am seeing in this, actually. So
yes, I think you should join the Thursday calls for the hackathon facilitators that's been happening.
No, Thursday, last Thursday it was there. It was not there, no?
Yes. No, it is there. I think Thursday or Wednesday, I'm not sure. On the hackathon facilitator group, Nina usually sends the link.
This week
it was there this week. It was there. I attended. I've been attending for the last 2 weeks. I'm not sure. I think it was on Wednesday. It was actually good because I think only 20-25 of us are there. And the ones who have more experience, people like Rahul and Anutosh, Nina, they usually give a lot of pointers. They're doing a lot of different stuff in their group. So there's so much to learn, and Nina also told us to start communicating only through videos in the group. To increase the video confidence.
Yes, that's
so those discussions were there, how to encourage them. And so there was quite a bit of learning for me as well, because I'm like totally new to all this. There's that, and I am actually taking a lot of pointers from that meeting. I am a mentor for a lot of other people who want to become pregnancy coaches. So I've been using it in that group, and it's been working very well. Like, post a video every day, it'll improve your confidence level, and then discuss one topic every day. So that's been actually working for that group as well.
You are coaching for coaches only, or you are coaching for the direct?
No. My basic is I teach for pregnant mothers. But then my certification, I got it from an US organization that has a head office in India. So I signed up to become a mentor for that organization, I think around 6 months back itself.
Okay.
Even before I joined SIDS community, because that's like, as becoming a direct coach requires a lot of, on the political level, we'll have to register and all that. That's a little complicated. So for now, I'm just joined as a mentor with that organization. So I have that group that's running simultaneously along with this digital coaching also.
Okay. So
yeah.
Okay, then we will catch up next time. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Take care. Thank you.